Hello, my dear friends. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here. Today, we would like to share a very special story of one of our student, Manu Sharma. So, Manu have done his BSc in chemistry from Punjab University, Chandigarh, and subsequently, he is pursuing his master's in environmental sciences from MIT Mohali. So, he was preparing with us in GATE Environmental Science and Engineering program, in which he qualified the GATE Environmental Science and Engineering 2025 with a GATE score of 418. So, on the basis of which he will be going for the PhD programs of various IITs, ISERs, and other labs, along with trying the M.Tech aspects from GATE Environmental Science and Engineering. On such a remarkable feat, we would like to congratulate Manu Sharma and wish him good luck for the future journey. At present, the institute is offering rapid crash course for June 2025 in live online correspondence with video, offline and only correspondence program mode, along with a comprehensive test series. The institute is also offering various crash courses for the job level exams such as CPCB, HPSC. Then we have JNK Public Service Commission exam, which is upcoming. So these are in the range of crash course. So the students who are interested, they can join us for the same crash course and ensure the completion of their syllabus and give a good effort in the upcoming exam. The institute is also offering preparation for CUET PG and UG in the life science domain, as well as environmental sciences and IIT JAM. The institute also offer the various interview programs for PhD programs and masters. Technical courses such as data analytics and GIS and remote sensing is also offered from the institute head. So those who are interested, they can reach us as early as possible, as the June exam is coming and the CPCB exam is also coming very faster. So don't waste your time. In case you wish to give a full effort in the first go, then you can reach us as early as possible. Thank you.